today I'm going to solve quiz 1 from week 11 of the course of Physics 2. So the quiz reads as follows. A volumetric flask made of Pyrex is calibrated at 20 degrees centigrade. It is filled to the 100 milliliters mark with 35 degrees centigrade of acetone. What is the volume of the acetone when it cools to 20 degrees? So that's the first question, right? So here I wrote all the data we were given. And we have the following formula that will give us the difference in volume. So we have all the information here present. We know that this should equal the initial volume, which is 100 times beta, which is given by the problem, which is 1.5 times 10 to the minus 4, times delta T, which is 15, as it is 35 minus 20. Yes. So this should give us a difference in temperature of 0.225 milliliters. And what we're going to do is we're going to obtain now the final volume.
Cuidado con...
Which should equal the initial volume minus this value obtained here. Minus delta V. And this would give us a final volume for the acetone of 99.75 milliliters. So this is the answer to part A of our problem. So part B is asking us to identify the significance of the percentage in percentage of the change of volume of the flask compared with the change in volume of the acetone. So what this means is that we have to divide the delta V of the flask by the delta V of the acetone. So we just obtained delta V for the acetone, and it equals 0.225 milliliters. So for the delta V of the flask, here we're going to use the same formula we used before, but we're now going to use the information for the flask. So we're going to assume it has the same volume, and in this case, as we're given the linear expansion coefficient, we will just multiply this by 3. So this is represented by the Greek letter alpha. So we're going to multiply 3 times 3.20 times 10 to the minus 6, which is the value for this alpha, times delta T, which is again 15, because it goes through the same change in temperature. So we're going to have a value of 0.0144 milliliters. I'm going to write it over here. We divide delta V of the flask by delta V of the acetone, and this gives us, times 100%, and this gives us a percentage of 6.4, which means it is pretty small in comparison to the change of the acetone. So that's all for today. Thank you.